everyone. Today we're going to be talking about this 2018 Platinum Phoenix coach. This particular model is built off the 2018 Cadillac XTS chassis. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Just take a look at the brow line. Nice and squared off and proportional looking. This particular model comes with the option of the B and C color stainless, which accommodates this crown band. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at your number 2 door. Opens up extremely wide. You have your full-size spare here with additional storage on this side. Once again, you have your full vinyl top with your integrated landau panels from Platinum Coach. This particular model has a signature back low door stainless, which is only from Platinum. Really makes this door pop and really is eye appealing to the customer. Take a look at the inside of this. Absolutely gorgeous. You have your bumper protector carpet here. Keeps your bumper nicely protected for any wear and tear. Also, you have the biggest urn carrier in the industry. This can hold baby caskets if necessary. On this vehicle, we have the shell interior with your black shadow boxes and your LED lighting. Also, the flooring in this car is matted black marble flooring, which gives it a really nice look. It's new to 2018. Once again, this car is a fully composite body, which helps with any kind of corrosion, which you can never get on this car, which is very nice. It's a great thing to have. On this side, on your church truck compartment, door opens extremely wide. Also, you have additional storage under here for your church truck and umbrella storage. Thank you for watching. And if you would like this beautiful ride parked in front of your funeral home, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008. And please like us on Facebook and check out our site at www.parksuperior.com. Thank you.